Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your SaaS application with AWS detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing the security requirements specific to your SaaS application. Identify any data protection regulations your application must comply with. Create a detailed architecture diagram of your SaaS application on AWS. Set up an AWS account if you haven't already. Enable AWS CloudTrail to log all account activity for auditing purposes. Configure Amazon Virtual Private Cloud (VPC) to isolate your application's resources. Use subnets effectively to separate public and private resources. Deploy AWS Identity and Access Management (IAM) to manage user permissions securely. Create IAM roles for your application components to limit access. Implement multi-factor authentication (MFA) for all IAM users. Utilize AWS Key Management Service (KMS) for encryption of sensitive data. Encrypt data at rest using Amazon S3 server-side encryption if using S3 for storage. Use AWS Secrets Manager or AWS Systems Manager Parameter Store to manage sensitive configuration data. Implement an Amazon RDS database with encryption and security groups to control access. Configure Amazon API Gateway to handle incoming requests securely. Use AWS Shield and AWS WAF to protect against DDoS attacks and web exploits. Regularly monitor AWS CloudWatch for any suspicious activity or anomalous behavior. Set up Amazon Guard Duty for continuous monitoring of malicious activity. Regularly update your software dependencies to fix vulnerabilities. Conduct regular penetration testing on your SaaS application. Leverage AWS config to maintain compliance and security posture over time. Create a disaster recovery plan that includes backups with Amazon S3 and AWS Backup. Test your disaster recovery plan regularly to ensure quick recovery in case of incidents. Document all security policies and procedures for your team. Train your team on best practices for securing SaaS applications on AWS. Make security an ongoing part of your development lifecycle. Continuously reassess and improve your security measures based on new threats. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.